Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Everlodge token. Ticker symbol is ELDG. I just saw this in a news article talking about this announcement here for their pre-sale. And so I went to their page here and it says, Everlodge $20 million pre-sale debut aims for 2023's viral crypto spotlight. And this is a news article from AMB Crypto. So they're talking about this project is aiming to get $20 million in their pre-sale here. We're going to go over the information on the Everlodge token. I keep wanting to say Everdoge because, Lodge is almost Doge. Everlodge. We're going to go over that token here and their pre-sale and their socials and all the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, co-own vacation homes on the blockchain. Everlodge is disrupting the vacation home industry by introducing the world's first co-ownership platform on the blockchain. So if you go to their webpage, everlodge.io, right at the very top of the page it says, join the pre-sale to be entered to win a luxury holiday to the Maldives. T&Cs apply, it says. So you can change the language on the page. There's buttons all over the place. It says buy the pre-sale. You can log in on here. And it looks like their pre-sale just started. So there's basically a countdown until the price increases on this pre-sale. So it looks like from uploading this video here, basically this pre-sale seems to have just started. I'm not sure exactly what day it started at, but it says right now that one ELDG, which is the ticker symbol for the token, so one token equals 1 penny, and launch price will be 3.8 pennies. So it more than triples from the time right now until the launch price. So a big discount, obviously. So USDT raised, so far they've raised $273,855 in this first phase here. And then it looks like the price is going to increase here into 1.2 cents. And there's a countdown on the page here. So you got lots of time to check out this pre-sale. From uploading this video anyways. If you're a subscriber, you'll see this in time. If you're not a subscriber, hit subscribe so you don't miss these new tokens. But you can buy the token right on the page by connecting your wallet. You can buy it with Ethereum, ERC-20 USDT, or BNB. And so it shows you how to trade right on the page. There's, how to buy all over the place. It's real easy to find. They've been featured in a bunch of different news articles. That's where I saw it. AMB Crypto, News BTC, Today, Bitcoinist, CoinSpeaker, all over the place. So it says, the smart way to own vacation homes. No banks, credit checks, or hidden fees. Everlodge provides you with a seamless approach to fractional investing in vacation rentals, eliminating the complexities associated with traditional real estate investment. Our innovative platform revolutionizes the way people invest in second homes. This is where Airbnb meets Web3. No paperwork, it says. No banks. So their vision is generational wealth. For decades, the real estate and vacation home market has predominantly been an investment avenue only for the affluent. With Everlodge now, you too can build your wealth just like the world's top 1%. You can get passive income, so start building your real estate empire from as little as $100 and generate passive income from vacation rentals in your favorite holiday destinations. So how it works, it says start building your real estate empire by following these 3 simple steps. Number 1 is register and connect your DeFi wallet to Everlodge account in minutes. Number 2 is browse our platform. Browse through a listings of hotels, luxury villas, and vacation homes around the world. And buy your vacation home. Purchase your first vacation home from as little as $100 and start generating income. So within the ecosystem, they have the Everlodge Marketplace, the Launchpad, the Lending, and the Rewards Club. Build equity and not just memories. Why waste your time and money on hotels and holiday rentals when you could join the Everlodge ecosystem, where growth in income empowers you to generate a monthly income from co-owned properties while also enjoying the advantages of value appreciation. Dream locations, we offer properties in some of the most sought-after destinations in the world. Looking for a chalet in the Alps or a villa in Turks? We got you covered. So it says the white paper here, it says we're democratizing vacation home ownership by combining the best elements of real estate investing and Web3 technology. Download and read through our white paper, which explains the entire Everlodge vision. We're not going to go through all that, but basically you could do that. So it says, why is this the preferred choice? Well, Everlodge, you can build long-term equity. There's low minimum entry fees, inflation hedge, no need to source tenants, no complex paperwork, monthly passive income, no property management required, buy and sell your property within minutes, finance your property, and free nightly stays worldwide. Features of the Everlodge token include passive income, rewards, membership, and discounts. It says it's 100% secured and audited. So they've been audited by 2 different companies, InterFi Network and Block Audit. You can check both of those out. So token allocation, 55% of the tokens go to the public presale, 10% development team, 5% liquidity, 15% rewards, 3% legal and advisors, 12% reserve. And there's a total of 532 million tokens. It's an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. And like I said, you can buy it with either BNB, ETH, or USDT. They do have a full roadmap, frequently asked questions. You can subscribe to a news article. There's 4 different socials at the bottom of the page. I'm going to put their Twitter up there so you guys can easily find that. But they also have, looks like an Instagram, YouTube channel, Telegram, a couple different emails, all sorts of stuff. Check out their full white paper if you like. Everlodge.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.